All Taylor and Travis got married, so yeah, I can't tell you how happy I am for her, just being her fan. It's about love. It's about all the people who believe in love, hoping that things will actually come true someday. And Taylor is like the representation of that hope all people have on love. I was awake all night watching Off Campus, being swooned over and over again by all the men. It wasn't just Garrett, alright. Somebody who stole the show for me was freaking Dean. Like, Dean, man. Something in him I found so cute and attractive. The way he portrayed his character made me feel like there's a depth. Nothing justifies being like a fuckboy and all, but then the way he's portrayed his character, if you look closely, you know that there's a layer to why he is the way he is. It's a heartbreak or something like that, but I'm very eager to read the book, The Score. A lot of mixed emotions right now, but okay, but also this is day one of me actually living like my vision board at the start of 2026. And something I wanted on the vision board was wake up at 5 a.m, work out, and then start your day. I wasn't able to start any of my days with like waking up early and working out, but today is the day that I kind of didn't wake up technically, but I'm still awake at around 6 a.m. It's around 6:15, 6:20, but I'm still awake. And yeah, this is like the first day I'm living up to my promises. But I did work out. It kept my hormones well for a month or two, and then it went back to being shit. I'm in love with the world. I'm in love with my life. I'm in love with myself. I'm in love with the concept of love because it's just so amazing. Like, how do I tell you guys how amazing it is to wake up early in the morning? How do I tell you guys how amazing it is to come out on walks, take yourself out? Life is amazing. I was lovesick the last whole week. I had this conversation multiple times with my besties, and we were all lovesick at the same time. And what do you do when you're lovesick? Watch a movie that makes you feel a little less lovesick. That's what I did. And it didn't stop with one movie. It went on with 2 or 3 more other movies. Plus, and so far as to me binge watching a whole series. And that lovesick transforming into something so weirdly enthusiastic that I'm up without sleep at 6 a.m. and I'm taking myself on walk and just feeling the cold breeze hitting my skin because I've missed this. Something in me just held myself back from doing this. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make this a daily thing. See, I have such a good place to walk and all, so why would I miss out on the chance? Says the one who hasn't woken up early in the morning for like years. And come on. Okay, you guys can't see the lotuses here, but yeah, somewhere there. There you go. It's lotuses, guys. Spotify is playing all the right songs today. We are at Commercial Street doing something that parents normally wouldn't appreciate.
Very impulsive.
Very impulsive. She's had a rough month.
That's what
To
it
get
Piercing. It's so like random, bro.
We're looking for a hygienic place. That's the priority.
So random, bro. I literally had college. I bunked it and I came. Like,
That's how
impulsive decisions work.
Adult.
So you. Let's go. Let's go.
Say hi to my vlog. You'll come on my YouTube.
Hey guys. Hey. Hello. It just a sting. Like, you know, like
Pain will be tomorrow.
yeah. And once you like hit your this thing every time you brush your hair or sleep. That's because we are doing it on the top. If you're doing it somewhere here, you can be more careful.
My workout I missed today. I hate my camera.
Cheers. Let's go. Thanks.
And no piercings.
I can't believe I have 6 now. Hey, let's go. Look at me. I am actually the rebel of the household.
Turns out I am a freaking scary cat. Such a shame.